Hi folks, it's Ron from Tiger Town here. I'm alive, I'm alert, and I feel great. Apparently you did a search for magnetic screen door for sliding glass door. And these things are great for letting fresh air in and keeping bugs and pests out of your home in the summertime or when the good weather comes. And it's great for letting your pets in and out by themselves. Very convenient too when you have your hands full. Uh, There they. That's basically it right there. That's what it looks like. You put it. You can find a place where you want to put it. Front door, back door. You can open it farther for patio doors, and it keeps the bugs out. You use it for sliding glass doors or your front or back door of the home. There's a guy and a man going in right in the front door. No, he's not fumbling with fumbling with the door. He's carrying heavy items. And the lady here, she's coming with a baby going leaving the place. It's perfect for that. Single or sliding doors. And here's the young fella here. He's going through back out to the pool, looks like, whatever he's got going there. And you can take it out to your cottage area. If you've got an RV like that, you can use it in the door. There's mobile homes, motor homes, any place you can find a use for it. It's simple, easy to install. Now I'm actually an Amazon seller, so if you want to link to some details on the door or the screen door, underneath my YouTube video, just click on show more and you'll find it. You'll find a link to those details. Oh, by the way, here's a little bit of a self-promotion here. While you're there looking for that detail, you could hit the big red subscribe button, and I'll send you any of my informative videos as they come along. Or you can just give me a thumbs up, whatever it is you like to do. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Bye for now.